Hey boys, what's going on? So in this episode, I'm going to show you a table that I built. I don't know if you're going to like it or you're not going to like it, but this is the first time I've built something like this. And it's for the channel. I want to learn how to weld. So I was like, fuck it, let's make something to make something. Anyway, for those who have been tuning into this channel for a little while, I made a little post on the community tab about me building a welding table. That's why a lot of my time has been gone into this thing. This is essentially for the channel. I want to redo the exhaust for the Supra, make it like a proper hectic exhaust. Hey! Hey! This bitch. Anyway, let's continue from that. So yeah, built this welding table. This is what it looks like. It's not finished, I need to paint it. I started sanding it and then I ran out of sandpaper. So I need to finish off sanding all this, putting like pretty much just like a clear steel polish thingamajig at the top. And then pretty much paint it black. So far this is my setup. I bought that recently as well. So I want to try and learn TIG. I've had that for like 6 years. It's a cheap TIG machine. I can't afford SIG Weld or Unimig right now because I just can't afford it. The affordability is not there. I've heard some good things about this, but I haven't used it yet. It is cheap and try and easy. You're gonna get what you pay for it. For fucking Jesus Christ, it's all falling apart. Yeah, you're gonna get what you pay for it. It's on wheels, just so I can move it around if I ever move or so forth. Also bought this. It's a disc and belt sander. Bought it for a reasonably cheap price, so I was like, you know what? Let's fucking do it. It was on sale at Bunnings. It's like down from $220 to 159 bucks. So I was like, fuck it, I'll be needing one. And if you look for this on Marketplace, they're averaging like 150 anyway, so I was like, might as well spend the extra money and buy something new and decent. Well, decent brand. But yeah, this is the table. I think the worst part about this table is the welds that I've done on it. So there's welds that are shitty and there's welds that are absolutely like stacking diamonds in my books. So I'll show you the shitty welds and where they're located, and I'll show you where the good welds are located. So these are the shitty welds that I've done, which is rubbish. That's the first time welding after a long time, trying to adjust the machine to the metal. And these are the bad boys that no one will ever see. I probably should spray paint them because they're starting to rust, but yeah, these are the welds that no one will ever see, unfortunately. And they are pretty damn good. Someone that doesn't weld professionally and a hobbyist, I'd say that's pretty good in my books. If you think otherwise, well, fight me. Hopefully we could start doing some shit. I need to buy another bottle as well. Fucking argon's not cheap. This is like an argon mix for the MIG. Once I get another bottle, I'll buy some pipe, start cutting pipe, and then just start practicing, and then, I don't know, start fucking welding shit. Just give it a crack and see how it goes. Also, that's a AC DC machine, so you can weld aluminium as well. Just in case I get bored, I want to challenge myself, so I'll probably start doing aluminium shit as well. So if you want to see me practicing, I don't know, let me know in the comments below. I'll record it, try and fucking do something with it. If not, then I'll just keep my shitty bird poo welds to myself.